Alright guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about stack, okay, using array. Last time we discussed about linked list and double linked list. In this video, let's discuss about the stack, okay. So to create a stack, we need a couple of things, okay. We want to put all integer inside the stack, okay. So let's give the name stack array, okay. Then after, you just leave like that, and because we are going to initialize that when we create the constructor. Okay, so next what we need is the capacity of that array, okay? So, and then we need the index of that one named top, okay? Which is 0 now. So with this, let's create the constructor, stack constructor first, okay, stack. Now inside stack, we need to give the size, okay? Let's give the size of that one, and that size later on becomes the capacity of that stack, okay? Let's try to initialize that stack array. Stack array equals new int, and then what is the size of that one? The same size that we are getting from the users from here, right? Next one is this capacity, okay? This capacity equals this size, all right? So now capacity is also initialized. Now let's initialize the index, okay? You can do 0 also, you can do -1 also. If you want to do 0, then you have to tweak a little bit of code later on. But let me start with -1 so that I can do plus top later on, okay? We have now constructor ready, okay? So now let's create, okay, couple of methods, okay? First, let's check the method, okay? First, let's check the empty method, okay? Boolean is empty. What is empty? If the stack is empty or not, okay? So for that one, so what we need to do, return empty means all minus, okay? So top equals 1. So this is going to return false or true, okay? So it's going to be easy for us to find it out later on. And then here, what we need to do is full, okay? So let's create is full, and then let's try to compare. Okay, return is there always, okay? Let's try to compare that top equals what? Capacity, which is there, okay? Capacity. And why capacity? Because that's the size of the stack array, right? And then capacity -1. That means because we are using index from 0 in Java, that's why we need to do -1. Otherwise, it will be array index out of bound exception. All right. So now we have is empty method. We have is full method. Now let's create push method here. Okay, void push. Okay, let's create void push method, which is that we are going to put inside. Okay, what are we going to put inside? The int type. So let's do data. Okay. Now, so how you want to do it? Where you want to do it? So where you want to do it? We want to put that data in the stack array. So stack array, all right. So plus that I said earlier, top, okay. Then after that data is going to be passed there, okay. So this is how we push inside the stack. If you want to print that what is pushed, then you can do this, okay. You can do int type here, and you can do it. But for now, I'm just doing a void, okay. Now another method, void pop, okay. Pop method means taking out, okay. So it doesn't need any parameters. So stack array, and then so stack array top minus. Okay, minus. But problem here is this, okay? Type of the memory is int type is using, because int is not the object. Object handle points to another object somewhere else. But in this case, then you need to understand that the element is with the variable, okay? So let's do 0, okay? Yeah, otherwise it's not going to work. Let us print then once, okay? In this case, we have to do return here, okay? Let us print it. Now we have push method, we have pop method, we have is full, is empty. Now let's create one more method here, which is, let's say, void print, okay? Print stack. Print stack method doesn't take anything else. For loop int I equals 0, I less than, what is that? Our array is stack, okay? Stack array. Stack array dot length, okay? Then after I plus plus. For example, stack array, you're checking the item, okay? Equals 0, okay? This 0 because it's all empty, right? Then you can say that, system.out.ln, then you can say empty slot, okay? Empty slot, all right? So if that is not the case, sys out, then stack array, you can print it, all right? So that's how it works. That means we do not want to show that even that 0, okay? We want to give the feel of that this is empty, okay? Now let's go to runner and then create stack object stk equals new stack, okay? Let me do this one. And then you remember that last time we said that we need to initialize the stack size, okay? Here. This is our constructor, right? So it is asking for, let me do 5 at this time, okay? If the stack is empty, actually let's print it, okay? Let's print it. Is empty or not, okay? So let me put this one here. Okay, empty. It's gonna print that one also. And let me copy this and then let me paste it and then let me make it full. Is stack full or not, okay? And then let's check it, okay, actually. So is the stack full? Yeah, true and false, okay? That the first one is giving true because we have not added anything else. The second println is giving us the false because there is nothing, okay? Everything is not full, that means, okay? Now let's try to push stack dot push. Let me push 100, then after, actually let me copy and then it's gonna be easy for me. Let me put 500, okay? This one is extra. Okay, let me create 200 here. Let me create 300, 500 here, okay? Now we have 5 element push. The last element is the 500, okay? The last element is 500, the first element is 100, okay? Now let's print it once, okay? What is the method we have? Print stack, okay? We have print stack method, stack, print stack, okay? Okay, here. Now let's do it that one. So 100, 200, 3, 4, 500, right? Now let's pop 1, okay? Okay, now it says after pop 100, 200, 300, 400 and then empty slot, okay? That means the last item, which is 500, is out in the stack, okay? There's a lot to fix in this one. I have not checked any method if it is full or not. I have not checked the stack if it is full or not. You can do this also with the help of this is empty and is full method. And there is a pick method also that you can write pick method, okay, if you want. Thank you.